Most software companies building or already having a channel of resellers face the same challenges. Recruiting additional resellers is difficult. Onboarding them is inefficient. They only grow slowly, or most of them not at all. A genuine commitment is hard to get, and channel conflicts become an issue long before achieving market saturation. The channel workshop, facilitated by me, will review the challenges of building and managing the reseller channel according to your situation, your ambitions, and your potential. The agenda is client-specific. You will brief me on your situation, challenges, and objectives through one or more web meetings. I will draft the agenda based on your input and on my own independent research. At the end of the workshop, we will have developed and documented an action plan with items aimed at fixing the issues that you have. The workshop is based on the principles of my best-selling book, Building Successful Partner Channels, which I recommend reading before the workshop. Now, email me if you want to make your partner channel approach more effective.